Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets and numbers. Green color, red color, yellow color, white color, blue color, and the last one is black color. So kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So kids, now we coloring numbers and alphabets. Kids, now we using first red color and draw A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball. B for ball. The next one is C. C for cat. C for cat, and we are using black color. Kids, now we using black color. C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog. D for dog. Kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. E for elephant, and we using yellow color. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish. F for fish. Kids, the next one is G. G for goat. Now we using blue color. G for got. G for got. Kids, the next one is H. And we again use blue color. H for hand. H for hand. Kids, the next one is I. I for ice cream. We again use blue color. Next one is J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. Kids, now we coloring the letter of K. K for kite. K for kite. And now we using green color. K for kite. Kids, the next one L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for mango. Kids, now we using white color. M for mango. M for mango. Kids, now we again use white color and draw N. N for nest. N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. O for orange. And now we're using again red color. O for orange. Kids, now we coloring P. P for parrot. P for parrot. We again use red color. And now we coloring Q. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Now we use the color of black. Kids, now we use Q for queen. So kids, now we again use black color and draw R. R for rose. R for rose. Kids, now we are coloring S. S for sun. S for sun. So now we are coloring the T. T for tiger. So kids, now we using yellow color. Again we use yellow color and draw U. U for umbrella. Now we coloring V. V for van. Kids, now we using again blue color. V for van. We again use blue color and now we are draw W. W for wonder. W for wonder. Kids, now we are draw and coloring the letter of X. X for X-ray. Kids, now we using green color. X for X-ray. Kids, now we are coloring Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Kids, now we are coloring Z. Z for zebra. The last one is Z and we using white color. So kids, now we are coloring numbers. First we use white color and coloring the number of 0. 0. Kids, the next one is 1. O-N-E. 1. And now we using red color. The next one is 2. T-W-O. 2. We again use red color. Kids, now we are coloring 3. 3. the number of 3. So kids, now we are coloring 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Kids, now we again use black color. 4. We are draw and coloring the number of 4. Again we use black color. 5. Now we coloring the number of 5. Now we are coloring 5. Kids, again we using black color. And now draw the number of 6. 6. Kids, the next one is 7. 7. And use yellow color. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we are draw 8. 8. Kids, the last one is 9. 9. Kids, the last one, and we using the last one is 9 and we use blue color. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.